Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan Bisagni. Oh, I'm not looking at my camera. What's up guys, it's Dan Bisagni again, and just wanted to shoot a quick video. This is gonna be it's actually kind of for my church family and for anyone out there who's using Zoom to meet with their small groups. Our church is going to do that, and I think it's a good idea. It's a good option that allows us to all stay home but actually get to see each other, which is a huge deal. I didn't even realize how huge a deal it was until we met tonight to test out the system, and it was really cool actually. It helped a lot. It helped kind of get people help people feel encouraged and connected and things like that. So thank you so much if you're joining my Twitch stream. Please definitely leave a chat message if you have any questions. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go through and let you guys see my screen, and we'll just go through a kind of like how to get your Zoom functioning right and how to navigate your Zoom stuff. So if you have questions, put them in the chat, and we're going to do a test setup. So this is going to assume that you've already downloaded the app, and this is going to assume that you're on a PC. If you guys want me to do the app version, we can do that too. It's really just tapping it and or swiping left. So most of your options will show up if you tap it. Most of your options will show up if you swipe left or right. I don't really remember. A bunch of people were using tablets and mobile devices. I was not one of them. So yeah. So hope this is helpful. I'm gonna maybe move my camera so that you guys don't see me like looking away from you guys, but you'll see me kind of like looking down. But ignore the mess behind me. Yeah, just ignore that mess. Okay, so here we go. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna switch over here so you can see my big screen, or I should say, so you can. Goodness gracious, here we go. Okay. So you should be able to see my chat and my screen there. That should work. All right, we're gonna do something different here. Oh, the easiest way to get to it on Windows 10 is actually to just hit the Windows key and type Zoom. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna say Start App, and I actually launch all my applications that way. So. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this website. I found this post for the website, and it's actually for the mobile account. Because I googled, does Zoom have a test conference call I can join? And so the test room is right here. Join a test room. It's zoom.us test. So /test. We're actually just going to click on this join a test meeting. Okay, and then we're gonna hit join. Now, some of this stuff isn't gonna work because I'm using my webcam to make this stream, but don't worry about that. This is in Chrome, so if you're not using Chrome, this dialog box is gonna look different, but it will say this Open Zoom Meetings thing, or it'll say it across the bottom, like join, and you just click on it. So you just click on that, and it will say this window, which is a test window. And it says join with video, join without video. We're going to join with video, but my video is not going to work because my webcam's already running somewhere else. So it's showing me, it's asking if I hear that audio. I do hear it, so I'm going to say yes. I'm going to hear it, so I'm going to say yes. I'm talking into my microphone. So you can hear the audio. And so you can say yes to this question. So I'm going to join with computer audio. Yep. Join with computer audio, test speakers and microphone. We already did that. And we're going to just join. Now it's going to use the microphone on my computer and the speakers on my computer to join. The neat thing is you could choose the other option there and have it call your cell phone. So if you have a headphone and a microphone that is on your cell phone, you could actually just use the audio for your phone, and you'll use the camera from your TV and it'll work. So if you don't have a good microphone for your computer, or your computer sounds like it's in a cardboard box when you're talking, you can just do it that way. So I'm going to try and start my video. I don't think it's going to work because I'm already recording on my video. Yeah, failed to start video camera. Can't do that. Okay, that's fine. But one of the things that was really interesting was when we were in chat, you have a mute button here at the bottom, okay? But that button disappears. Everything disappears. So if you move your mouse over that area, it will bring it back up. The other thing is if you hit this button at the top, enter full screen, that's really helpful. But also you have an option here when there's more than one person in here, and it's got like gallery view. You could have little squares all over your screen. It's really helpful. Anyway, I like the gallery view a lot better. One of the things we were having trouble with was finding the place where people could raise their hand on the chat. So if you open the chat, it looks like this. It's a big white box. You can say hi, right? Hi, okay. And then the issue we were looking for was, hey, how do you raise your hand? So if you go down here to this, and you get this thing at the bottom to pop up, which is the participants, or which is this bar at the bottom. Click on participants, and now you can see everyone who's in here. You can unmute them, you could rename them, you can do a whole bunch of different stuff. One of the things you also can do is raise hand. So you could click this and raise your hand, which is great. But one of the things that's cool is this raise hand thing was very important because we wanted to be able to show Aaron, our small group leader, that we were raising our hands. That was the way we did it. So you have to click on this participants button in order for this to show up. If you want to see what people are chatting about in the chat room, you got to click on this other thing. Here, I'll show it to you again. We'll just go back here. We'll join the room again. So let's see. This is good. It's repetition. This will probably have a video feed of your video. Right now mine has none because I'm using it for this recording. How many times am I going to say that? You guys get that, right? Okay. Yes, I can hear the ringtone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so the microphone you can hear. The interesting thing also was they were adjusting the audio of my mic on the fly, which is pretty crazy. Okay, so this would be the place where you could say join with computer audio. I think there might be another option. When you join an actual meeting with someone who's paying for it, I think you can actually call in. So we don't have that option here. But so I wonder if I can invite someone. Yahoo Mail. Okay, Gmail. That's kind of cool. You can copy the URL. That's great. Participants. Remember, if you need to raise your hand, click on this participants and you'll have the options at the bottom here. If you open the chat window, they'll be in the middle, okay? And then if you want, you can clap. Yay, clapping, good job. Or you can say, hey, I like that point. So this is the way you tell the pastor that you like this point. This is your amen button. Anyway, that's the idea. I'm just goofing around. You can also hit this enter full screen mode, which is great. And then you can put the chat here in the middle, which is awkward and weird. I don't know why they did that. It's just floating. You can also do screen share, but the guy's got to give you permission, I think. But you can do like a whiteboard. And you can say share. And then you can just draw stuff, people. I forget what the kids were doing this week. I think it was, what was that? I keep getting confused with 2 Samuel because I'm reading that to my kids right now. So just as our part of our daily Bible reading. But I think like the kids are probably in Judges. So it might be not Solomon, Samson. We're getting pretty close to Samson. I don't know. Aaron's going to do a kids one also. So it might be a guy with long locks of hair. You know what I mean? Like Samson had the mad hair because he was a Nazarite and took a vow not to cut his hair, and then he lost his power when he broke his vow to God. See, a lot of people think it was his hair that cost him his power. No, it was his breaking of the Nazarite vow that cost him his power. He made a promise to God and he broke that promise, and it was because of his his letting his desires get the best of him. So don't let the desires get the best of you. You could also share your screen with like a PowerPoint. The meeting was ended by the host. So that's a very good way to test out your stuff. It is called zoom.us/test, and then you can launch a meeting and test out your rig, test out your stuff. Okay, hope this is helpful. Just wanted to make it a quick recording, a quick stream. I don't know. I don't even know why I streamed it. Nobody showed up for it. That makes me sad. No, I'm just joking. It is actually great because I want you guys to know that I'm here, and so that you guys will see that I posted this. If you want to check out something interesting, go check out my last video. I interviewed a guy who, starting at like minute 17 and 43 seconds, I started to interview a guy who went through the coronavirus issue and recovered. So that was really neat. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to follow me on Twitch, I am Newman Gaming at or twitch.tv/Newman Gaming, new with a 3. Also, if you want to follow me on YouTube, I am youtube.com/Daniel Bisagni. I do tech videos like this there. If you want to hear long rambling podcasts from me and my mom and a couple other cool people, that's at adddan.com on YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. I don't know. I think those are the main ones I do. Oh, and LinkedIn. Connect with me on LinkedIn. I always send stuff on LinkedIn that I think is helpful and, yeah, worthwhile. All right. And sometimes I send out funny memes that my wife sends me. All right. God bless you guys. You have a great day, and hope you're doing well. Peace. Later.